Hello, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about how to install custom watch faces in Huawei Band 8. So, let's go. At first you need to uninstall Huawei Health app from your phone. Then you need to download Huawei Health Mod app from the description box below and install it. Then open installed Health app and log into your Huawei ID and add pair your device. Then click watch face. Tap 4 dot and click add watch face. Tap my files and tap into the watch face. Then click install and wait.